Children, in this module, you are going to learn about nouns in which numbers as countable and uncountable nouns.
Happy morning, children. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today, we are going to learn about nouns. We all know very well about nouns. What is meant by noun? Noun is nothing but naming words. Names of a person, place, things or animals. So, we have learned that nouns can be uncountable or countable. So, can you guess what is our today's topic? Yes, very good. Our today's topic is countable and uncountable noun. So children, countable nouns are those that may be separated and counted. But uncountable nouns are not separated. They are taken as a whole and they cannot be counted. So children, let me give you few examples of uncountable and countable nouns. So look at this beads. Can we count these beads? So let me try. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can count the beads. So this is an example of countable noun. Look at the ball, children. Can we count the balls? Yes, we can count the ball. Let me try once again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 balls in my hand. So we can count the ball. So ball is an example of countable noun. So children, let me give you some more example of uncountable noun. Okay. So can you guess what I am having in my hand? Yes, I have sand in my hand. Okay. Can we count the sand? No, we cannot count the sand like 1, 2, 3. We cannot separate the sand. Okay. Sand can be taken as a whole. Children, look at this. What I am having in my hand? I have water in my hand. Can we count the water? No, we cannot count the water. We cannot separate the water. We can take the water as a whole. So this is a very good example for uncountable noun.
Classification of countable and uncountable nouns. Here, you can find a few examples of countable and uncountable noun. We are going to classify countable noun and uncountable noun. Book, pen, pencil, apple, tomato, candies. These are countable noun. Oil, juice, coffee, sand, salt and water. These are uncountable noun. Countable noun can be separated and counted. Uncountable noun taken as a whole. So, you have learnt about countable and uncountable nouns. Now, you will be able to identify them in sentences. Children, read the sentences and say if the highlighted words are countable or uncountable nouns. I don't like to drink milk twice a day. The teacher asked us to open all the windows in the room. We bought a loaf of bread from the bakery. Can I have some juice, please? It's good to exercise every day. We bought 5 bottles of water for the picnic. We need some glue to paste the pictures. All the children gathered in the field to watch the match. Children, write out the answers in your notebook.
Have you understood the topic? If you have any doubts, ask me. I will clarify. Thank you so much, children.